Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pork burritos. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, ensuring you have everything ready for a smooth cooking process. Next, prepare your savory pork filling, seasoning it perfectly for maximum flavor. Then, assemble your burritos with your favorite toppings, layering each component carefully. Finally, cook them until golden brown and enjoy your homemade meal. Let's start with the star of our burrito, the pork. Choose a tender cut, such as pork shoulder, for the best results. Season it generously with about 2 tablespoons of chili powder and 1 tablespoon of cumin, along with salt and pepper. Slow cook the pork until it is fork tender and easily shredded. Once shredded, mix it with a rich, flavorful sauce to keep it moist and delicious. Now, let's build those amazing burritos. Warm your large flour tortillas for about 15 seconds each, making them pliable and easy to roll. Spread a thin layer of cooked rice and black beans down the center of each tortilla. Next, add a generous portion of your seasoned pork filling. Don't forget to include your favorite fresh toppings, like a spoonful of salsa, some shredded cheese, and a dollop of sour cream. To finish, carefully fold the short sides of the tortilla inward, then roll it tightly from the bottom up, creating a neat package. For an extra crispy exterior, pan-fry your burritos in a lightly oiled skillet over medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, until they are golden brown. Serve them immediately with extra salsa, guacamole, or a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Enjoy your delicious, homemade pork burritos.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.